Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of Part 14 of the Holy Qur'an. This part covers complete Surah Hajar and Surah An-Nahl. For key topics are discussed in Surah Hajar. The desire of the disbelievers, on the Day of Judgment, when the disbelievers see the Muslims in pleasure and themselves in torment, they will wish that they too had become Muslims. Preservation of the Qur'an. Allah Almighty has taken the responsibility of protecting the Qur'an till the day of resurrection. The creation of man. Allah Almighty made man from dry stinking clay, asked angels to prostrate in front of Prophet Adam. The devil was refused. He swore to mislead mankind till the day of resurrection. 3 incidents are mentioned in these verses, which are as follows. First incident, the angels came to Prophet Ibrahim and gave him the good news of his son. At that time his wife was old and apparently birth was not possible. So Ibrahim was happy to hear the good news of his son, but surprised too. The angel said, "We are telling you the true good news. Don't be disappointed." This shows the power of Allah and not to ever disappoint from His mercy and blessings. Second incident, the angels came to the service of Prophet Lut after giving the good news to Prophet Ibrahim. They asked him to leave the town at night with his family because the people of his nation have gone so far in doing sinful deeds that Allah Almighty has decided to cleanse the earth from their impure existence. Third incident, the companions of Hajar. This refers to the nation of Samud. These people also followed the path of oppression and abuse, and despite repeated explanations were not ready to give up idolatry. They were shown various miracles, especially the miracle of the birth of a camel from a mountain rock, which was in fact a combination of many miracles, the camels coming out of the rock, giving birth as soon as she came out of the rock, its extraordinarily large size, producing lots of milk. But these unfortunate people did not appreciate these miracles. Instead of believing in it, they killed the camel of Allah, so the people of Hajar were also tormented by Allah. Some important points in this part are discussed. Verse 38, Allah has put an end to enmity in the hearts of the pious. Verse 60, Prophet Lut's wife, despite being the wife of the Prophet, was among those who disobeyed Allah and faced his wrath. Verse 93, Ibn Abbas narrates that what the Holy Prophet was commanded to preach in this verse was the virtue of the Qur'an and the AHLULBAYT. Surah An-Nahl in this part covers 5 key topics. Oneness of Allah. Allah Almighty made the earth as a floor and the sky as a roof, created man from sperm, created cattle which have various benefits and they are also a source of pride and beauty for their owners, created horses, mules and donkeys. They are used for transportation and they also have splendor and adornment. He sends down rain, then He produces olives, dates, grapes and many other fruits and grains. He has kept night and day, sun and moon in the service of man. He provides fresh meat and ornaments from the rivers. Ships and boats are floating in the sea under His command. If you want to count the blessings of Allah, you cannot count them. Prophethood. The Prophet was commanded to call people towards Allah with wisdom and good advice and to be patient in the face of adversity and hardships. Also, the Prophet had been instructed to be patient and not to be anxious on all the atrocities he was facing. Honey bee. The system of the bee is very strange. It makes its hive in the mountains and trees by the command of Allah. It sucks the juice of different kinds of fruits. Then Allah brings out honey from them, the colors of which are different, and through this honey Allah has healed many diseases of human beings. A comprehensive verse. In verse 90 of this surah, 3 things are commanded and 3 things are forbidden. The things that have been ordered are balance in worship and daily affairs, to treat everyone well in order to cooperate with relatives. 3 things that have been strictly forbidden. 1. Not to perform bad deeds. 2. Stay away from things that are forbidden. 3. No oppression. Praise for Prophet Ibrahim. Prophet Ibrahim adhered to pure monotheism throughout his life. He was an obedient and grateful servant of Allah Almighty. Prophet Muhammad has been ordered to invite people towards the religion with wisdom and good advice. He was commanded to call people to Allah with wisdom and good advice and in a beautiful way to make people's hearts soft for the message of Allah.